Up next, a 2016 Harley-Davidson FLT RX. In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, that spells Road Glide. This particular specimen in color charcoal gray. Nice looking bike. We'll go ahead and check the miles and the pipes at the same time. Previous owner put a nice set of Reinhardt slip-ons on so you can enjoy an excellent sound and not have to pay for it. Under 4,000 miles on this bike. Shot of the exhaust caps. And here's the worst part of the bike I've been able to find. Yep, little teeny scratch on the right rear corner of the right saddlebag. It's a 2016, so it has a 103 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Is also ready for a test listen and a test ride any day of the week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.